Guys, my name is Narendra. I am the student of MyGoMinds. In this video, I was going to explain a advanced Java project using Servlet. My project name is login or sign up form. By entering your username and password, you can get your login to website, which is I gave MyGoMinds, and here I give login. If the both password and username is correct, then only it will enter into your login. Otherwise, you have to you this displays as invalid user. I enter valid, so that this output gives as valid user. If I give any other rather than this, then it will throws an invalid user. Okay. If you are the new user of MyGoMinds, then you have to click here, which is redirect to your website. Okay, this is the website. Okay, this is the output for this login or sign up form. Okay, for this you have to create a new file. Initially you need to open your Eclipse, go to new file, and go to dynamic web project, and click on OK. Project name, you need to give your project name. I give MyGoMinds. Okay. Click on next. Click on next. You have to generate web.xml. Click on finish. Okay, go to your MyGoMinds, src main. In this Java, you have to write your servlet code, new other servlet. Next, give your package name whatever you want. I gave com.app. Class name, you have to give anything. I gave register mygo. Okay, click on next. Click on next. You can choose any methods you want. I choose only do get method. Click on finish. Okay, you got new servlet page. This is new servlet page. You have to remove this trash which is not necessary. Delete. You have to write your servlet code here, but before you have to write your servlet code, you have to need HTML code, which you can add HTML code in web app. Go to new and HTML file. Okay, you have to give your file name whatever you want. I give register. Click on next. Click on finish. Okay, for that we need to write our HTML code over here. Center tag, which will display the content on the center of your browser. Okay, you need to take form tags for that, for the user and password. First you have to enter your username. For enter your password, you need to take one input box. Input, type equals to text, which means you can enter any text type. Name equals to p1. This will catch the servlet file. If you enter any, suppose if you enter any name over here, it will catch by the servlet by with the help of this t1 box. Okay, then break tag and another break tag. enter password. You need to take another input box, type equals to text, name equals to t2. It will get the results from the text box 2. It will catch the elements from text box 2, and then take another input box to submit. Type equals to submit. Okay, take here, type equals to submit value to display the value, which is nothing but login. Okay, and then we have to take one anchor tag. Before that, we have to take breaktext for proper alignment. Anchor tag href attribute is mainly used to connect the HTML with the whatever the website you want. Next, target, it will connects you to the new page on your fresh page. Blank. Okay, anchor tag close. Register here, which means by this by this reference link you can connect to your uh, new website, which is nothing but by clicking this you can go to here MyGoMinds website. For this purpose you need to use anchor tags. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, control S, save. Okay, register MyGo. Okay, go to servlet code. Here we need to write your code. Response dot set content type, which means it text slash HTML, which means it takes the code from HTML and display on your browser. Okay, then go to okay print writer. You need to import this out equals to null, and then you have to initialize your password string. Password you have to give MyGoMinds and initialize your username MyGo 123. Okay, next, and you have to, if for getting any exception or any exception messages, you have to use try catch method. Try, and then catch. exception here which gives outdoor println of error message. It shows the errors which you have done internally. E dot get message. E dot get message off. In this try method you have to write your logics, which is business logic, presentation logic, and then you need to write your code over here. Op equals to response dot get writer. Okay, string user 1 equals to request dot get parameter of t1, which this t1 is nothing but text box 1, which are initially gives in this register.html this text box. Whatever the value we are entering in this text box, that value will catch by this html, this servlet. String password 1 equals to request dot get parameter of t2, which is nothing but get the value from text box 2 and gives to the servlet. Out dot println of this center tag refers to the content on the center. If user 1 dot equals to user and pass1 dot equals password. If both the conditions, password and username, both are match with this MyGoMinds and MyGo123, then it will returns only invalid user. If you entered any other, then you will throw like invalid user, which I discussed on before. Println of valid user, else out dot println of invalid user. Valid user. Okay, save it. Okay, I got an error which is okay. Okay, then save it. Okay, then go to here, take action as a your servlet name and action must be same. Re register mygo, and the method used in this servlet also you need to add here. I use get method, so that I choose here get, and this register.mygo and this method, this servlet name must be same, otherwise you didn't get output. Okay, then go to run on server, choose Apache Tomcat, go to next, choose your file whatever you give, and then click on finish. Restart server. Okay, username I give mygo 123 and password as MyGoMinds. If I enter login, if both username and password matches, then it will shows valid user. Otherwise, it will shows invalid user, valid user. I entered both are correct, so it will shows valid user. If anything I did mistake over here, then it will shows like invalid user. Okay, and if you are the new user here, then you go to click on this hyperlink, which is redirect to your MyGoMinds website, and go to here. It will redirect, you can register here. Thank you MyGoMinds for giving this opportunity.